Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to share with you a brownie recipe for Rocky Road brownies, and they're very simple to make. I've got everything set out, ready to go, so let's get started. Okay you guys, for this recipe this is all you're going to need. I've got everything laid out and they've come to room temperature. I've got a cup and a half of flour, I've got 2 eggs, a stick of butter that I've melted and let cool. I've got some walnuts, vanilla, cocoa powder, baking powder, salt, some marshmallows. Now I couldn't find the little ones at the store, so I just cut up some big ones. And I've got some chocolate chips. So what we're going to do first is go ahead and mix up our dry ingredients. We're going to go ahead and add in our cocoa powder, baking powder, and salt. Just make sure it's well combined. It'll make it easier later in the mixing process, so you don't have lumps of flour or cocoa. And then we're just going to set that aside. And now we're going to do our wet ingredients. So I've just got 2 eggs in here. We're going to add in about a teaspoon of vanilla and our butter. We're just going to give this a mix. And now we're just going to add in the wet into the dry. We're just going to mix this together. It will take it just a second or two for it to come together, because this is a pretty thick batter. Look you guys, I completely forgot to add in my sugar, so you're just going to add in about a half of a cup of sugar and go ahead and mix this together. We want these sweet. I'm using stevia. It tastes just like regular sugar. There's really not much difference at all. So just go ahead and mix this in, and make sure you add it before you put it in to your baking dish, and don't make that mistake like I did. So once you get this all mixed in, go ahead and add it back into your pan, spread it out, and then go ahead and bake it. Okay guys, this is what you want your batter to look like. It's very thick. So now we're just going to add in our walnuts, and we're just going to fold these in. Make sure you don't mix your batter too much, because it will make the brownies very tough. So just mix it till they get incorporated. Once you see them mixed in, you can go ahead and stop. So I've already got a glass. This is an 8x8 glass baking dish, and I've just got some parchment paper in here, and I've also got my oven preheated to 375 degrees. So we're just going to add this batter right in here. And then just kind of spread this out. Now these are very fudgy brownies, so the batter is really thick. So just work with it until you get it spread out evenly. And once you get it spread out evenly, you can go ahead and pop these in the oven for about 20 minutes or so until they are completely cooked through. You can stick a toothpick in there, and if it comes out fairly clean, they're good to go. So these should take about 15 to 20 minutes to cook, and I'll meet you right back here. Okay guys, these have been in the oven for about 12 to 13 minutes. What we're going to do now is just sprinkle over the chocolate chips. Kind of even them out a little bit. We're going to put these back into the oven for about 1 to 2 minutes, and then we're going to take it right back out and spread the chocolate around, and then we'll put the marshmallows on. Okay guys, they were in there for about a minute or so. So now we're just going to kind of spread these chocolate chips on top. Now we're just going to dot the top of this with our marshmallows. They're a little bit sticky, and they've got a little bit of chocolate on there, but that's okay from the chocolate chips. So we're just going to dot the top of this and then put them back in the oven for about 5 minutes, give or take, just till the marshmallows are melted and slightly golden. Okay guys, this is what they look like right when they come out of the oven. So I'm just going to let these cool for about 20 to 30 minutes before I cut them up. Okay guys, this is what they look like when they are cut up. I've cut them up into 12 squares, so that way they're about 206 calories per square. And then I've just got them in this container here. I'm going to let them cool completely. Okay you guys, that is going to be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and always remember that it's always fun to be in the kitchen. Always make healthy choices and always go for the healthier options. So I hope you give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.